Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. Today, let us learn about Swarna Mahayogaraja Gugulu, an Ayurvedic medicine used in the treatment of joint disorders. This medicine should be taken only under medical supervision. It is used in the Ayurvedic treatment of lumbar spondylosis, low backache, rheumatoid arthritis, sciatica, neuromuscular conditions, indigestion, bloating, flatulence, post-viral fever when the patient complains of body, muscle and joint pain, bursitis, shoulder dislocation pain, ankle twitch, slipped disc, backache, stiffness of muscles, avascular necrosis, sensory neural hearing loss, hypothyroidism, ankylosing spondylitis, pain related to SLE and so on. It improves strength of bones and joints, and it acts as an excellent anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving medicine. Traditional indications of Swarna Mahayogaraja Gugulu are Tridoshagna, balances all the three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Rasayana, anti-aging and rejuvenating medicine. Vatamaya, Vata imbalance disorders pertaining to muscles, joints and nerves. Kushta, skin diseases. Arshas, hemorrhoids. Grahani, irritable bowel syndrome. Prameha, diabetes and urinary tract disorders. Vatarakta, gout. Nabhishula, pain in umbilical region. Gastritis. Bhagandara, fistula in ano. Udavarta, bloating. Kshaya, tissue loss, muscle wasting. Gulma, abdominal tumors. Apasmara, epilepsy. Urograha, chest congestion. Mandagni, weak digestion strength. Shwasa, difficulty in breathing. Kasa, cough and cold. Aruchi, anorexia. Reto dosha, disorders related to infertility. Rajo dosha, female infertility. For all Vata related disorders, it is traditionally administered along with Rasnadi Vata. For Pitta related disorders, it is given with Kankolyadi Kashaya. For Kapha imbalance disorders, it is administered with Aragvadadi Kashaya. For urinary tract disorders, correct Anupana is decoction of Daru Haridra. For anemia, it is given with cow urine. For obesity, it is administered with honey. For skin disorders, apt Anupana is neem decoction or herbal tea. For gout, it is given with Guduchi Kashaya. For swelling, inflammation and pain relief, a suitable cold drink is decoction of long pepper or radish. For rodent and mice bite, it is administered along with Patala Kvata. For eye disorders, suitable cold drink for this medicine is Triphala Kashaya. For ascites, suitable Anupana is the decoction of Punarnava. Coming to the ingredients of this medicine, it contains calx of tin, silver, lead, iron, silica and gold. And Rasa Sindura, that is a medicine prepared with mixture of purified Gandhaka and Parada. Then ginger, it improves appetite and digestion. Fruit and root of long pepper, it relieves indigestion, anorexia and other gastric problems. Then celery, false black pepper, calamus, triphala, that is combination of haritaki, vibhitaki and amalaki, which is considered to be good anti-inflammatory, and it contains Gugulu etc. Its reference is found in Sharangadhara Samhita, Madhyama Kanda, 7th chapter, verse number 56 to 69. The original reference explains about Mahayogaraja Gugulu. To this, manufacturers add Swarna Bhasma, that is calx of gold, and prepare a tablet called Swarna Mahayogaraja Gugulu. The dose and the timing of this medicine depend on the decision of the prescribing doctor. Usually, this medicine is given in the dose of 1 to 2 tablets once or twice a day. This medicine should only be taken under strict medical supervision. Self-medication with this medicine may prove to be dangerous. It is to be avoided in children and pregnant ladies. Make sure to select this medicine from a good company. If consumed in high doses, it may cause or worsen gastritis. Seek your doctor's advice for its usage during pregnancy, lactation and in children. This medicine is manufactured by Unja, Amrita Pharmacy, Baidyanath etc. Ayurveda Pharma companies. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.